question number is 03DDT19F1063.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Fatih Fariza binti Muhammad Yusof. My matric number is 03DDT19F1057.
My name is Noshada binti Mazan. Matric number 03DDT19F1046.
Jadi, okay, this this is project for data structure. I will explain about project data structure. So first, define data structure. Data structure can be defined as the group of data elements which provide an efficient way of storing and organizing data in the computer so that it can be used efficiently. Some example of data structure are array, linked list, tag, queue, and etc., which show the data structure to allow different type of data in a name.
Why do we need data structure? Efficiency. Proper choice of data structures make program efficient in terms of time and space. For example, suppose we have some data and we need to organize it properly and perform the search operation. If we organize our data in array, then we will have to search sequentially element by element. If the item to be searched is present at last, then we will have to visit all the elements before reaching the elements. So the use of array is not very efficient here. There is a better data structure which makes the search process efficient, like an order array, binary search tree, or hash table. Different data structure give different efficiency.
The entire citation is first tree, second is linked list, third is queue, fourth is searching is in linear, and lastly is tag. 3. Leica family. Binary list is spatial data structure used for data storage purpose. A binary tree has a special condition that each node can have a maximum of 2 children. We typically name them their left and right side, Raisha and Raikal. Based on that tree, grandmother is the root node. It is the first line is called zero level node. Next, Raisha and Raikal are on the second line because they are the children of grandmother. These are called first level nodes. The next level on the third line are Zayed, Zulaika, Zari, and Zafran. They are children of Raisha, and this level called second level nodes. A fourth line is Hanim and Haris, which is their children of Zayed have produced third level nodes.
So second, linked list. Trip Zulaika and his brother in Ahmad Central. Linked list is a dynamic data structure that size is not fixed at compile time. Each element of linked list can hold a value and point to the next list element. So we decide to do linked list because first of all, there are already lists to go to the popular bookstore and Bata shoe shop. So we just insert popular bookstore at the first node and Bata shoe shop at the second node. Then before they go to popular bookstore, Zulaika brother Zayat want to go to T-Life kiosk. So we just insert T-Life kiosk to first node. After Zayat get the drink, they decide to go popular bookstore. So we decide to delete third node. Is Bata shoe shop because they just list to go Bata shoe shop, but they don't mention they go to Bata shoe shop. And lastly, after they done at popular bookstore, they decide to go Seoul Garden to get dinner with their family. So we insert Seoul Garden at the third node.
The third technique is queue. When Zayed at the T-Life kiosk, queue is a container of object object a linear collection that are insert and removed according to the first in and first out principle. Based on the story, we decide to do Q when Zayed at kiosk because firstly, when he into the kiosk to buy drink, he get number for his turn to pick up his order. And he got the number 2020 at his receipt, while the number on the service is now at 2015. Then he wait until five people at 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019 before him to be served.
Next is searching. Linear search. Zulaikha and his brother decide to buy some stuff. First, book and second, stationery. Items in the list are searched one by one, starting from first and compare to a given key value. The search ends when the key value has been given. We decide to do linear search because linear search have target key, so the target key for the diagram is book and stationery. We move to step 1. Target key have to every shop, which is book and stationery, but the first data is back and face mask. So the status is search continue because the item not same with the target key. Next, our second data is book and stationery, so we just find the same at the target key and so on.
Okay, stack Zulaikha and his brother in bookstore. Stack is a container of objects that are inserted and removed according to the last in, first out principle. We decide to do stack because when they went to Amasitra, they have list out things to buy in popular bookstore. When Zulaikha and his brother visit to popular bookstore, they choose all they needed and put it into basket. They choose book and also the stationery to buy.
Okay, first planet is 3. First label is grandmother, it's called 0 label notes. Second label is Raisha and Raika, it's called first label notes. And next, Zayed, Zulaikha, Zarid, and Zafran is called second label notes. And lastly, Hanim and Haris is third label notes. Okay. Root in this tree is grandmother. Parents in this tree is grandmother, Raisha and Zayed. Children Raisha, Aikan, Zayed, Zaika, Zarid, Safran, Hanim, and Haris. Siblings Raisha and Raikan. Next, Zayed, Zulaikha, Zarid, and Zafran. And lastly, Hanim and Haris. The height of tree is 3.
Okay, this is diagram for link list. First they have state to go. They have list to go popular bookstore and Bata shoe shop. So we just write what they said. So first, we insert Tilak kiosk because Zayat want to go Tilak kiosk. So we insert at first note. Second, we lead it Bata shoe shop because they don't mention they go to Bata shoe shop, but they list they want to Bata shoe shop. Third, we insert Seoul Garden because after they go to popular bookstore, they want to go dinner with their family. So we insert at last note.
Zaid, he get the number for his turn to pick up the drink is 2020. So the number on the service now at 2015. So he should to wait 5 people to him be served. So we enqueue 2020 at index 5. Second, we DQ 2015 and next we DQ 2016. The third we DQ 2017 and we DQ 2018 until 2019.
Okay, the last technique is linear search. First is book, target key, book. Step 1, target key is book. First data, back, back equal, not equals book. Status, search, continue. Okay. Step 2, target key is book. Second data, monopoly. Monopoly equal, not equal book. Status, search, continue. Step 3, target key is book. Third data, book equal book. So the status is success and search terminated.
So this is linear search for stationery. Because we want buy stationery. So target key stationery. Step 1, target key stationery. First data is face mask. So face mask not equal for stationery because they want search for stationery. So status search continue. Step 2, target stationery. Second data stationery. So they get stationery equal stationery. So status search successful and search terminate.
The last technique is stack. First, we create stack basket with index 0, 1, and 2. Second step, we push book in the into basket, and then we push stationery into basket. The third, we pop the latest item, and we pop the book. So the in the stack is 0.
So because no data in the stack because they want buy the stationery and book. So we just pop them out. So that's all.
That is empty.
Stack is empty. So that's all from us. So thank you.